Hi everyone, Mikhail from CCIM here, and welcome to another one of our My Account how-to videos. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to renew your memberships in the My Account portal. To begin, navigate to ccim.com and log in. After logging in, click on My Account to go to your profile. Once on your profile page, click the red Memberships on the left column to go to your membership history. On the memberships page, you'll either see an active membership you currently have, or you'll see click here to view inactive memberships. If you're currently active, you can click Renew on your membership to start the renewal process. If you've bundled your chapter membership, it'll show beneath your national membership with a line separating the two. Clicking on the View Inactive Memberships will display any expired memberships you have on your account. When the inactive memberships have been expanded, they'll be displayed in the various years you've had a membership. If it's been a while since you've renewed, you'll be able to renew in this section. We suggest renewing off of the most recent membership in the expired section. Once you've clicked Renew, the next screen will ask to confirm the membership you're renewing. If it is correct, again, click the word Renew. After clicking Renew, you'll have the option to add a foundation donation or bundle in your chapter membership. Items with a white background are not selected. Items with a red background are selected. Once you've finished your selections, click on Add to Cart to preview your order before going to checkout. If everything appears correct in your shopping cart, please click on Checkout to proceed to checkout. Once on the checkout screen, you'll be asked to fill out your credit card information and either add in or select your saved billing address. Please note, the zip code on the billing address must match the zip code that's tied to the credit card. If you're using a company credit card, you must use a billing address that matches what's on file with that credit card. This may differ from your company's address. Click on Process Payment once you've confirmed all of the information is correct, and you'll be all set with your membership renewal. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our video on renewing your membership. Be on the lookout for more My Account how-to videos from CCIM in the future.